Hey guys, Beat Twice here. We're going to be taking a look at wave theory analysis, bull and bear case for QQQ. I said it on my SPY video. I do not have as much time lately to make videos, so um, I post on Twitter more often than I do make videos, and I likely will not be doing many weekly updates, but more so just doing videos on the weekend. So with that being said, let's jump into QQQ. Um, so starting with the bull case, it looks like we could potentially be in an ending diag, um, which basically has us in our wave five of a wave three, and right now we're putting in a five wave impulse to the upside. And so far we put in a one. We had a complex correction pulling back for a two, and our two bottomed right at actually what would be the 14.6% retracement. Um, and then from there we're going to rally back up to all-time highs. We'll hit somewhere in the 370 range. We'll pull back for a four. We'll pop up for a five, and we'll be looking at this kind of diagonal structure. So we'll go, three, four, five, and then from there we'll get rejected, and then it will send us lower. So our wave four, if that ends up being the case, there's a good chance our wave four bottom would end up being right around like 353 range, or 355, maybe 350, depending on how soon this happens. Um, but it looks like our four bottom would likely be the trend line that's drawn from these last two peaks if this ending diagonal does play out. So this would be our bull count. Let's take a look at the bear count. Okay. So the bear count is that the top is already in, that we've already peaked for our wave three, and that we're already in a complex correction to the downside. That we're not going to make new all-time highs. That we're going to go. We could go a little bit higher early to start the week, but we're going to put in a lower high, meaning we're not going to break above the 369 area that the Qs hit for previous all-time highs. We'll fall a little bit short, and ultimately that's going to be our X, and then we're going to flush down for Y. So our price target in this scenario would be somewhere between 357 for 351 for being the bottom for our wave four. I still think it will end up being this uptrend line. So even if the top is in, I don't think that we're gonna, it's gonna be the ultimate top, and that we're gonna be flushing all the way down to, 300 a share on QQQ or anything crazy like that. I think if we do get another flush, it's gonna be a dip to buy, because it should only take us into the mid 350s. And I really do like this uptrend line to catch support or maybe a little bit above it. Um, the one thing that's concerning me is we are having bearish divergence on the RSI. So I didn't talk about obviously on the bull count, because that's not bullish. So seeing this is not a great sign. Um, if we're going to be even going up for the ending die, I would think we probably still need to break above this, but it's anybody's guess. So we really want to be kind of watching this and paying attention. I think we'll know very early next week whether or not it's going to be the ending diag or whether it is going to be getting rejected and ultimately flushing. I wouldn't be surprised if we see the move happen on Monday. So we'll see what happens. If you like these videos, go ahead, hit like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.